The new update allows us to compare photographs much more intuitively, stack them on top of each other or place them next to each other, and in general, just move them around much more easily. Let's go take a look. So this update has also enabled us to compare photographs. To do this, select several photos from the film strip that you'd like to compare. And with the default settings on, notice now you can see all three of the photos in the preview. We can now change the way we see the pictures by placing them side by side, like this, or stacked on top of each other like this. We've also increased the various options you have on positioning the photographs. Say for example, we want to compare the focus on the eyes between these three. And now when we zoom in on all of them, notice how it's completely random and just based on where I clicked with the mouse. But by holding the Shift key, I can now position each photograph individually until I get exactly what I need. And in this case, it was the eyes. Doing this was possible before, but now it's much faster and a lot more intuitive. Now when I zoom out of the pictures and then back in, Zotor Photo Studio will remember these former settings we created.